What's up YouTube? It's Grandma and I'm back with another video. So as y'all can read by the title, I DIY'd my daughter some pictures for her 1 month photo shoot. She turned a month today, literally a month, on a Saturday, March 29th, 2025. My baby is a month. Yeah, she is thriving, she's growing, she's healthy, she's well, she's figuring out her personality. She's been a crybaby. She's just been a newborn. If you've been through that newborn stage, you know. I literally had to sneak away to make this video. So, I may make this intro. Yeah, I forgot to make an intro. So I'm like, let me go make the intro. And I'm so happy that I end up having my camera in her room, because I literally would have missed all that footage. Because when I did the pictures, y'all, I had to be so quiet. Like, literally this quiet. I had to be so gentle, like, she wake up off anything, but with that milk, baby, I kept finessing her. I kept feeding her every time she would wake up, and she just, y'all gonna see on that on the basket, I think she had woke up, but she ended up just falling back to sleep. Hopefully I caught that on camera, hopefully. But I tried to get each picture setting that I did. Yeah, I tried to get into my photography bag, even though I don't know nothing about photography. Kudos to the photographers, because shooting with a newborn, I said before, I had her like shooting with a newborn, not that much. Baby, please, it took me 2 days, not even 2 hours, 2 days. So kudos to the photographers for that. I'm done with the pictures. I'm going to incorporate those at the end, so make sure you watch this video fully through. I got a couple videos before this, so it won't be posted on the 29th, but I will see y'all in the next vlog.
Chitter chatter, rather than the man. Bet your body, know my batter, got the data, turn your body into anti-matter. It's just like a piece of sizzling. You'll fit inside my stomach with the eggs and grits between. The king is what I mean. My man, get a cup and put some change inside your hand. Now hold on. Let's make this official. Everybody disagree that MCs need a tissue. The funk's my only issue. I bet your mama miss you, and I bet the Mac that go off like an MX missile. No more you whining on the charts climbing as I make the funk kick it out more harder than a diamond. And if you didn't know who's rhyming, I guess I'm gonna say Craig Mack with perfect timing. We won't be around next year. My rap's too severe, kicking mad flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max brand new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max brand new flavor in your ear.
Okay guys, so y'all seen the finishing touches. I'm gonna post the pictures now, so if you stayed through this vlog to this point, you're a real supporter. Make sure you drop a comment, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that post notification bell so you will never miss an upload ever, because I'm coming with that mama, wife, baby lifestyle content this year. So make sure y'all subscribe if you like my content so y'all can see more of me. And yeah, baby gonna be on here soon. Baby gonna be on here in real time soon, I say that. Hopefully y'all watched all my vlogs before this. If you didn't, click off this one, go watch all and come back to this one. Thank you. But this is the end of this vlog, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, make sure y'all hit that post notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.